Welcome back to the English Audiobook Library. I'm Malika, and I'm so happy to be here with you today for episode 5. Wow, we've already covered 700 essential English sentences together. You're doing an amazing job. Today, we're continuing our journey with sentences 701 through 800. That's another 100 sentences covering pets and animals, banking and finance, hobbies, driving and cars, neighborhoods, sleep and rest, personal growth, making decisions, music, and careers. These sentences will help you in so many real-life situations. So let's jump right in and get started. Let's begin with talking about pets and animals. Sentence 701. Do you have any pets? Ask about animals. Sentence 702. I have a dog named Max. Share pet information. Sentence 703. How old is your cat? Ask about pet age. Sentence 704. She's 5 years old. State pet age. Sentence 705. I love animals. Express affection. Sentence 706. Is your dog friendly? Ask about temperament. Sentence 707. He's very playful. Describe pet personality. Sentence 708. I need to walk my dog. State responsibility. Sentence 709. Can I pet your dog? Request permission. Sentence 710. He doesn't bite. Reassure safety. Now let's learn about banking and finance. Sentence 711. I need to open a bank account. State financial need. Sentence 712. What's the exchange rate? Ask about currency. Sentence 713. I'd like to withdraw $100. Request cash. Sentence 714. Can I deposit this check? Ask about transaction. Sentence 715. What's my account balance? Request information. Sentence 716. I need to transfer money. State transaction need. Sentence 717. Are there any fees? Ask about charges. Sentence 718. I lost my credit card. Report problem. Sentence 719. I need to pay my bills. State obligation. Sentence 720. Can I apply for a loan? Request financial service. Let's practice talking about hobbies in detail. Sentence 721. I collect stamps. Share collecting hobby. Sentence 722. Gardening is my passion. Express strong interest. Sentence 723. I enjoy baking on weekends. Share leisure activity. Sentence 724. I'm into video games. Express gaming interest. Sentence 725. Do you have any hobbies? General inquiry. Sentence 726. I like to try new things. Express adventurous nature. Sentence 727. That sounds like fun. Show interest. Sentence 728. How did you get into that? Ask about origin. Sentence 729. I've been doing this for years. Describe experience level. Sentence 730. It helps me relax. Explain benefit. Now let's talk about cars and driving. Sentence 731. Do you have a driver's license? Ask about authorization. Sentence 732. I need to fill up the gas tank. State car need. Sentence 733. Where's the nearest gas station? Ask for location. Sentence 734. My car broke down. Report problem. Sentence 735. I need to take it to the mechanic. State plan. Sentence 736. How much is gas per gallon? Ask about price. Sentence 737. I got a flat tire. Report specific problem. Sentence 738. Can you give me a ride? Request transportation. Sentence 739. Buckle your seatbelt. Safety instruction. Sentence 740. Watch out for that car. Urgent warning. Let's learn about neighborhoods and communities. Sentence 741. I live in a quiet neighborhood. Describe area. Sentence 742. The area is very safe. Describe security. Sentence 743. There's a park nearby. Mention amenity. Sentence 744. I know all my neighbors. Describe community connection. Sentence 745. It's close to everything. Describe convenience. Sentence 746. The commute is easy from here. Describe transportation. Sentence 747. There are good schools in this area. Mention education. Sentence 748. I love this neighborhood. Express satisfaction. Sentence 749. It's a great place to raise a family. Describe suitability. Sentence 750. Property values are rising here. Discuss real estate. Now let's practice talking about sleep and rest. Sentence 751. I'm so tired. Express exhaustion. Sentence 752. I didn't sleep well last night. Explain tiredness. Sentence 753. I need a nap. Express rest need. Sentence 754. I'm a morning person. Describe sleep preference. Sentence 755. I'm a night owl. Describe late preference. Sentence 756. I can't fall asleep. Describe insomnia. Sentence 757. What time do you usually go to bed? Ask about routine. Sentence 758. I slept like a baby. Describe good sleep. Sentence 759. I keep having strange dreams. Share experience. Sentence 760. I need my coffee to wake up. Describe morning need. Let's talk about personal growth. Sentence 761. I'm working on myself. Describe self-improvement. Sentence 762. I want to be a better person. Express goal. Sentence 763. I'm learning from my mistakes. Show growth mindset. Sentence 764. I need to step out of my comfort zone. Acknowledge need for change. Sentence 765. I'm challenging myself. Describe effort. Sentence 766. Personal growth is important to me. State value. Sentence 767. I'm trying to be more patient. Share specific goal. Sentence 768. I've come a long way. Acknowledge progress. Sentence 769. There's always room for improvement. Show humility. Sentence 770. I'm becoming the person I want to be. Express satisfaction with growth. Now let's learn about making decisions. Sentence 771. I can't decide. Express indecision. Sentence 772. What should I choose? Ask for help. Sentence 773. I'm weighing my options. Describe decision process. Sentence 774. That's a tough decision. Acknowledge difficulty. Sentence 775. I need more time to think. Request time. Sentence 776. I've made up my mind. Announce decision. Sentence 777. I'm going with my gut feeling. Trust intuition. Sentence 778. Let's make a pros and cons list. Suggest analysis method. Sentence 779. I don't want to make the wrong choice. Express fear. Sentence 780. Whatever you decide is fine. Show support. Let's practice talking about music. Sentence 781. What kind of music do you listen to? Ask about taste. Sentence 782. I love all kinds of music. Express broad taste. Sentence 783. Who's your favorite band? Ask about preference. Sentence 784. Have you heard their new album? Ask about release. Sentence 785. This song is my jam. Express strong liking. Sentence 786. Turn up the volume. Request louder music. Sentence 787. I'm going to a concert next week. Share plans. Sentence 788. Do you want to come with me? Invite to event. Sentence 789. I can't get this song out of my head. Describe catchy tune. Sentence 790. Music helps me focus. Explain benefit. Finally, let's end with talking about jobs and careers. Sentence 791. I'm looking for a job. State employment status. Sentence 792. I have an interview tomorrow. Share upcoming event. Sentence 793. What's your dream job? Ask about aspirations. Sentence 794. I love what I do. Express job satisfaction. Sentence 795. I'm thinking about changing careers. Share consideration. Sentence 796. How's work going? General inquiry. Sentence 797. I got a promotion. Share good news. Sentence 798. Congratulations on your new job. Celebrate achievement. Sentence 799. I'm self-employed. State work status. Sentence 800. I work remotely. Describe work arrangement. Amazing! We've just completed another 100 sentences. That's 800 sentences total now. You're doing incredibly well. From talking about your pets to banking conversations, from hobbies to driving, from neighborhoods to sleep routines, from personal growth to career discussions, you now have even more ways to express yourself in English. Remember, the key to mastering these sentences is to practice them every single day. Use them when you talk to friends. Write them in your journal. Say them out loud while you're alone. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. In our next episode, we'll continue with sentences 801 through 900. We'll explore topics like computers and the internet, making apologies, seasons and climate, cooking, expressing surprise, cleaning, patience, success, and communication. Thank you so much for joining me, Malika, today on the English Audiobook Library. You're making fantastic progress, and I'm so excited to see how far you've come. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you're closer to your goal with every sentence you master. Until next time, keep speaking English and keep shining.